on part of the Union Home Minister and the fake video that seems to be circulating. What the BJP now has been saying that there is a doctored and edited video of the Union Home Minister while he was addressing a rally seems to be suggesting and saying that when it comes to reservations for the SCs and STs will be ended, will be scrapped once the BJP forms the government again at the center. However, against this, there has been an FIR that has now been registered on part of the Delhi police. As far as they're saying that this is a doctored, this is an edited version of the video. We'll give you the comparison on your screens. You can take a look at yourself. When it comes to the original videos, what the Union Home Minister seems to be suggesting in the fake and the doctored one with the BJP has been alleging that has been widely circulated by the opposition.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार बनेगी तो एक गैर संवैधानिक एससी, एसटी और ओबीसी का है वो रिजर्वेशन को हम समाप्त कर देंगे। रिजर्वेशन को हम समाप्त कर देंगे। भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार बनेगी तो एक गैर संवैधानिक मुस्लिम रिजर्वेशन को हम समाप्त कर देंगे। ये अधिकार तेलंगाना के एससी, एसटी और ओबीसी का है, वो अधिकार उनको मिलेगा और मुस्लिम रिजर्वेशन को हम समाप्त कर देंगे।
मोहित हमारे साथ लाइव जुड़ रहे हैं। मोहित, गुड मॉर्निंग। इस एफआईआर के बारे में जरा जानकारी दीजिए, क्या कुछ लिखा गया है इस एफआईआर में, दर्ज किया गया है, किन लोगों के खिलाफ ये एफआईआर है जिसे फाइल किया गया है?
Well, you see, Amita, basically, if you talk about this particular FIR is being registered by that how BJP alleged that a clip of a speech of Home Minister Amit Shah was allegedly doctored, and he did not speak about ending reservation for ST, ST and OBCs. In fact, in the original video, as we were playing it out, Home Minister Amit Shah stated that the 4% reservation for Muslims, which is unconstitutional, is being provided in Telangana to the Muslims. They will end it and they will give that 4%, which is there for Muslims, to the SC, ST and OBCs. Now, the BJP says that many of the social media users, including Jharkhand Congress, Telangana Congress, they have tweeted it, and they have tweeted a fake video, a doctored video, in which Home Minister Amit Shah is heard saying that he will end the reservation for SC, ST and OBC, which BJP says it's fake, it's doctored, because Home Minister Amit Shah did not say anything about ending reservation for SC, ST and OBCs. In fact, he was speaking about ending the unconstitutional 4% reservation which is being given to Muslims in Telangana, and in fact, after they come to power, they will give away that 4% Muslim reservation to the SC, ST and OBCs. So the BJP said that that action would be taken. IT cell head of the BJP, Amit Malvi, also stated that those who are spreading this fake news, fake video, they should be ready for the legal consequences. Now, after all this, we saw that how the special cell of Delhi police has filed an FIR, and also what we are being told, Delhi police has also written to Twitter, to X, to Facebook, to identify all those who have shared this video. Now, after this massive uproar, Telangana Congress have deleted their particular tweet regarding in which they allege that Home Minister Amit Shah is talking about ending reservation for the SC, ST and OBCs. But what a senior leaders of the BJP says that not just in Delhi, but FIR will be filed in other parts of country as well. And those who are spreading this fake video, this fake news, they will be behind the bars. So they should be ready for the legal consequences.
जिनकी तरफ से ये वीडियोस वायरल किया गया है या जिनकी तरफ से ये जो वीडियो है उसे सर्कुलेट किया गया है सोशल मीडिया पर, और ये आरोप बीजेपी, कांग्रेस और बाकी विपक्षी दलों के ऊपर लगाती हुई नजर आ रही है।
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? Arey, it's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
The plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।